It's Rummage Sale Day. C'est la journée de vente de garage. And look at all this stuff. Would you look at it? I ran some errands. It's 9 o'clock. We opened at 8, but the parking lot's full. J'ai fait des commissions. Ça a ouvert à 8 heures, ben c'était steady. J'ai allé chercher du gaz pour le propane. But just look at it's packed. And then if you can't make this one, we're having another one at the Champlain Rummage Sale Day. I don't know when it is. August 10th, I believe. Si tu peux pas venir aujourd'hui, la vente de garage de Champlain, c'est August 10. So we have a lot of helpers. These have all the helpers. It's a dreary day, but it's a good day to come rummage selling. Still a lot of stuff. And we'll have some new stuff. On va avoir du nouveau stuff quand ça va être le jour du Rummage Sale de Champlain. So, praying for good weather for the Ross's Point celebrations today and tomorrow. On prie pour la bonne température pour les célébrations pour Ross's Point aujourd'hui puis demain. So, salut de Christ and St. John's. Goodbye from Christ and St. John's.